Here are some electric guitar riffs that without distortion, they sound like a Samsung alarm. Number one sounds like my grandpa's ringtone. Mississippi Queen, and this feels wrong. Rap Snitches. Layla. Honestly, all of these sound pretty bad when there's no distortion, there's nothing to hide behind, and especially when you're playing a Strat, it's kind of tinny, it's a little bit thinner. So, I mean, let me know, which one of these sounded the most like a Samsung ringtone or like your grandpa's ringtone?